Text the home of amazing content for another Harmony One price update. The price of Harmony One currently is at the $0.29 mark, which I think for me is not a very good price for Harmony One. Looking on the daily chart, we have this ascending channel, and the channel has been well respected, and basing on this channel I have two case scenarios. And the first scenario is that the price of Harmony One can hit this channel, the bottom part of this channel. Then once that move plays out, I expect to have a bounce to the support of the support on the 0.33 mark. Then from that point, once that move plays out, I expect the price to bounce to the 0.33 mark where it finds resistance. And once that happens, I expect the price to drop to the 0.22 support level. So that's my first case scenario. Then the second case scenario, we might break the channel, this ascending channel, and find support on the 0.26 mark. Once that happens, I expect the price to continue moving higher to the 0.33 resistance area. And this, I'm basing it on the fact that on the charts you can see that we had this head and shoulder right here. Let me show it to you. Here we have the left shoulder, then here we have the right one, here we have the right shoulder, then we also have the head, which is here. So I expect that the same case scenario to happen on this other side. And you can see once this head and shoulder formed, the price bounced to the 0.37 mark, which means that the head and shoulder was well respected since it started on the all-time high level mark. So on the other side, I also expect the same thing to happen. Here is where I have my left shoulder right here. Then once my case scenario plays out, this is where we have the right shoulder. Then up here is where we have the head. So if this move plays out, I expect the price to drop down to the 0.26 mark, because this is where my head and shoulder has started. On the 4-hour chart, we have this descending channel, and this channel has been well respected. And from basing on this descending channel, I have two case scenarios. First case scenario is that the price can bounce from the current price to this support up here. Then once we to this resistance up here, once that happens, I expect the price to bounce back to the 0.26 mark. And if this case scenario happens, the price will have formed a head and shoulder structure, which I showed you on the daily time frame. So I will expect the price to continue going down to around the 0.26 mark. Then the second case scenario is that we might continue having lower prices for Harmony One and break the support on the 0.26 mark. And once that happens, we might retest that resistance and continue having lower prices. to around the 0.21 support level. That's all for this video, and this video is meant for educational purposes, so this is not financial advice. So don't buy, hold or sell any crypto without doing your own analysis and research.